Alright, so I'm here to show you guys how to get started on the Avatar Nation Season 5 server. If you're watching this, thanks for watching, and make sure you watch the whole thing, because actually most of it's pretty helpful. So I'm just going to get straight into it. When you first join the server, you can use the /player command, which is pretty useful. We're going to eventually have everything in here, basically everything you need in here for commands regarding teleporting around the world, which you can't do too much of, get into the spirit world, which we can get into later, but use /player to navigate. Main ones you need to do are /warp loot crate if you get loot crate keys from quests, warp to the arena to practice your bending, and then warp spawn, which is where we're at right now, or travel to the market, which is pretty much the same thing. Big one is block shop at the top here. This is how you're going to be buying building materials. And that's basically all you need. There's a fish shop where you can sell some fish. And then if you want to go to the spirit world, that's for a different time. You can also toggle your bending here. If you don't know how the command for that, just click there. And you can toggle your moves board, which is the moves on the side of your screen. So /player. Go to our Discord for tutorial videos. I'm guessing that's why you're here, so you already saw that. /choose, if you type that in here, be careful, you can only choose one element. We might have be able to switch elements in the future, but for now it's only one element. So it's a permanent choice, so you got to choose once and choose wisely. So once you choose your element, you can do whatever, depending on which element you have. You can do /water, /fire, /earth, or /air. I'm a waterbender, so I'm going to do /water. Within here, you can click these moves, click to display moves, click to open. These two things here will teach you about water combos and water moves. Special moves, this here, left click to bind, right click to view. So I'm going to right click, and at the bottom of my screen it says blood bending. That means I've unlocked it. If you haven't unlocked it, it won't tell you. But these are special moves which you can get from move scrolls, from quests, or from various things which I can't say, but you can get move scrolls. If you get a water scroll, you can open it up and unlock one of the special moves. This is the knowledge book, which is what you really need. You're going to click this here, and when you join, you want to make sure you have your token in your hand, because you'll have a token when you join. Make sure that's in your hand, and you're going to want to click one of these. Now I'd choose wisely, depending on which element you have, what tier you choose, and you can see the tiers underneath. So this is the moon tier with water spout, ice spike, and ice wall. Those are the 3 moves you get. So once you click on it, it will unlock it for you, and then you'll have to go back in and click the tier again, and then you can then bind the 3 moves it comes with. So let's say I want to bind water spout. So I have just bound water spout. Now let me exit. Now when I scroll, the slot that my hand was in bound water spout, but I don't want water spout in there. So let me just go /water, and I'm going to look for frost breath, which is here. I want frost breath in that spot. So now frost breath's in that spot. So that's how you bind moves. You kind of just got to go back in and do it. So once you learn how to bind all your moves, you can always do /BH and then the name of the move. So let's just do water spout. And this is how you learn how to do each move. Now it's going to say everything you need to know in the text here. I just won't go over that because I want to keep this video short. But yeah, BH is bending help, so you can learn combos and moves within there. Now when you choose your starting location, you can only use these signs once. You can come back here and click a different sign to choose a different starting location, but once you click like Crescent Island, you can't go back there unless you travel across the world, which takes about an hour to get across the whole map. So I'd choose wisely your starting location. Maybe you want to talk to some other players, see where other people are settling. Maybe you want to settle with some other people. But I want to settle in the Northern Water Tribe. I'm going to click Northern Water Tribe, and now we're in the northern area, which is very desolate. But yeah, that's how you get started. Thanks for watching.